श्रीमान बाबूराम निषाद जी।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद माननीय सभापति जी। मैं आज इस सदन का राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा से जुड़े एक अत्यंत विषय की ओर आकर्षित कराना चाहता हूं। विशेषकर हमारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमाओं की सुरक्षा में आ रही लॉजिस्टिक चुनौतियां और हालिया न्यायिक हस्तक्षेपों तथा प्रशासनिक विलंब के संबंध में महोदय, हाल ही में कलकत्ता उच्च न्यायालय ने एक ऐतिहासिक निर्णय देते हुए पश्चिम बंगाल सरकार को निर्देश दिया है कि 9 सीमावर्ती जिलों में स्थित भूमि को
underway in Parliament. In fact, a while ago, Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also spoke and has hit out at the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi. Let's take a listen.
I respect the leader of the opposition, but I heard him say something that you people lynch. I'm sorry. I want that word removed. Honorable opposition leader is not right in commenting like this. One. And second, if he's talking on lynching, let me remind him that in Rajasthan, when Congress party was in ruling, based on some comment which one of our BJP lady spokesperson said, there was a lynching of a tailor and no action was taken. Nupur Sharma's comments on the TV, you lynched in your government. Lynching happened in Rajasthan. Even more, sir, one more. In Kerala, during Congress rule, the hands of a teacher, Father Joseph, was chopped off. What action did Congress party take in Kerala? Father Joseph, both the hands were chopped off. And that was Congress government. In Rajasthan, based on a comment made by Nupur Sharma, our spokesperson on the television, their government into a dam when somebody went and chopped off, lynched the tailor. Is he talking about lynching? Is leader of the opposition talking about lynching? Please correct.
Right, so you saw the showdown that was seen in Parliament, in Lok Sabha and now in Raj Sabha as well. We have in fact more news coming in. We've seen the Congress president and senior leader who was in fact trying to read the unpublished book of General Naravane, and remember this has been a huge bone of contention. He was not allowed to read the course. We will be in fact going across to our reporters for more on that controversy that has been brewing for days together, which eventually led to the suspension of 8 MPs of the Congress party. He tried to in fact read from the unpublished book of General Naravane, and remember that has been a big bone of contention. This was senior leader and MP, also the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge. The book has been in fact in the eye of the storm. Rahul Gandhi had also tried to flash a copy of the ex-army's book that the government said doesn't exist. There's been a lot of back and forth on that. Let's try and listen to what has been said.
ये बार-बार नेहरू जी को गालियां देना, इंदिरा जी को गालियां देना, अपोजिशन लीडर के लिए आपने जो शब्द उपयोग करे वो खंडनीय है। और वो ये चाहते हैं कि भाई ये नरवणे की किताब है, इसमें क्या है मुझे मालूम नहीं, मैं पढ़ के बताता हूँ।
No, don't take this again. No, I'm not going to allow. This is not authenticated. This is not authenticated. This is not approved by the Defense Ministry.
अमेरिका को बेचने वाले, देश को दिल्ली रखने वाले, प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं।
How to read from the book the BJP said doesn't exist. In fact, we have the Congress president and senior member of parliament trying to in fact read from the book. Once again, this is something that Rahul Gandhi had also done. There was fair amount of ruckus that was seen in parliament on this matter, with which Congress in fact MPs were suspended as well. Once again, Kharge in fact tried to read from this particular book. General Naravane had in fact has written a book, but it is unpublished. The BJP says the book really doesn't even exist. Rahul Gandhi in fact had brought this book, which is now, we understand, pending for approval with the Ministry of Defence. The leader of the opposition had tried to in fact read from that book, and today The Congress President and Senior Member of Parliament, Mallikarjun Kharge, did the same. More reactions coming in.
The Lok Sabha leader, LOP, is not allowed to speak. And he wanted to speak about the country's interest, sir. And whenever
Honorable Leader of the
how
House.
can we run the?
My esteemed colleague and the leader of the opposition should know that the proceedings of the Lok Sabha cannot be discussed in Rajya Sabha, and you have given ruling not once, many times, and previous chairmen have also given a ruling on it that the Lok Sabha proceedings cannot be discussed in Rajya Sabha, and so such discussion.
Now, matters rise.
अगर इनको इच्छा है तो अपने पार्टी के सदस्यों को बोले कि लोकसभा में चर्चा करें और राज्यसभा में जो पूरी अच्छी तरीके से चर्चा चल रही है और प्रोसीडिंग चल रही है वो चलती रहे, ऐसा मेरा निवेदन है.
Now, matters rise with permission. श्रीमान राइगा कृष्णैया.
मैं विपक्ष के नेता के माध्यम से ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जब हमारे हाउस में सारी बातें करने के लिए हम तैयार हैं एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो ऑन एवरी माइन्यूट डिटेल्स, लेट द डिस्कशन टेक प्लेस. आप हमसे बहुत सीनियर हैं और आप सब में बहुत से लोग हमसे सीनियर हैं, लेकिन एक बात मैं जरूर निवेदन करूंगा, अपनी पार्टी को अबोध बालक का बंधक मत बनाइए, बंधक मत बनाइए. आप डोंट मेक हॉस्टेज ऑफ द पार्टी. आप देखिए इतने आप
बैठिए.
आप इतने समझदार हैं.
आप इतने समझदार हैं.
आप इतने समझदार हैं.
To speak. Why you everybody is rising? Please wait. Let him complete.
आप
Then I
इतने
will come back.
समझदार हैं, आप इतने होशियार हैं और आप इतने तजुर्बेकार हैं कि आपको, ठीक कहा किरण रिजिजू जी ने, कि आपको पार्टी के अंदर भी इस बात को समझाना चाहिए कि डेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से, डेमोक्रेसी में ही हमको काम करना है. यहां पर अभिमान, अहंकार और अबोध होकर के, अबोध और अहंकार, ये दोनों बड़ा डेडली मिक्सचर होता है. तो इससे बच करके रहें और पार्टी को बंधक न बनने दें, इतना मेरा निवेदन है. आप पार्टी को स्वतंत्र रूप से चलाइए और अबोध बालक का बंधक न होने दीजिए.